dare. Raise your glass and take a moment. Look around you, this is
In any type of travel, unexpected events are inevitable. We were going to Peshawar, Pakistan that day, but our driver became ill. But since there is Careem in Islamabad, Pakistan, we were able to see more of the city and had a day trip to its twin city, Rawalpindi.
diamonds in your eyes. Black dress on.
Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, is divided into 8 basic zones, namely administrative, diplomatic enclave, residential areas, educational sectors, industrial sectors, commercial areas, and rural and green areas. On that day, we explored the Diplomatic Enclave, a secure zone that houses embassies and high commissions.
You make me feel so good. Feel so good. Neon shining on the boulevard.
Our next destination was Lok Virsa, or the National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage. It is still part of Islamabad and is 9 kilometers away from the Diplomatic Enclave.
Little seed, oh, dying root, oh, tender leaves, oh, silver shoot, oh, little seed, oh, dying root, oh.
We gave more attention to the Pakistan National Museum of Ethnology, which was established in 1982. The museum's primary purpose is to present the history and living traditions of the people of Pakistan, both from the mainstream and the remotest regions of the country.
Silver shoot. Lift your head, my darling one. You are not built to die. I'll melt the frost and closing you alive with open eyes. Oh, little seed, oh, dying root, oh, tender leaves, oh, silver shoot, oh, little seed, oh, dying root, oh, tender leaves, oh, silver shoot.
Our next destination was Rawalpindi.
Итак, мы идем сейчас по улицам города Равалпинди. Это старая столица, которая со временем стала Исламабадом. А я могу тут поснимать, да? И здесь мы видим чай. Чай? Вау. Окей. Ага. Мы видим чай и... Опа! Оружейный магазин. Надо лицензия. Город Равалпинди, он очень старый город, и сейчас все правительство в Исламабаде. А мы гуляем сейчас по такой замечательному рынку и будем покупать интересные вещи. Вот, кстати.
Rawalpindi was the capital of Pakistan until the founding of Islamabad in 1960s. In 1851, Rawalpindi became the largest garrison town when it was ruled by the British Crown. Presently, it is still a major military city.
Wild frontier, morning light, and all that follows. In the sun, in the storm, it's all or nothing. Here with you, I'm so sure we're on to something.
After exploring Rawalpindi, it was time to head back to the capital city. One of the convenient mode of transportation is the Rawalpindi-Islamabad Metro bus. It was opened in 2015. This 22.5 kilometers bus rapid transit service connects Rawalpindi to Islamabad. We started our journey from the Wariskan bus station to the Faizabad station.
Sunshine is falling in a brand new way. I know it from the start. We got a story written in the stars, like tulips in spring, leaves in the fall. When you're with me, I see it all, I feel it all. It's so clear, you right here. Whoa, we go out together. There's no doubt what we found. We know we go out together. We go out together. Oh, what a perfect night. You and me dancing, the moon is our spotlight. Oh, this is just the start. We've got forever in each other's arms. It's so clear, you right here. Whoa, we go out together. There's no doubt what we found. We know we go out together. We go out together. We go out together. We're like tulips in spring, leaves in the fall. When you're with me, I've got it all. It's so clear, you right here. Whoa, we go out together. There's no doubt what we found. We know we go out together. We go out together. We go out together. We go out together. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.